Good morning, student. We'll read the SGB4 of all ultimate impossible possible. So we have to read the SGB4. SGB4 only made impossible possible. Only made impossible possible. So here we have to read SGB4. The lawyer agreed and the next day only was called to the witness box. The judge asked, when was the theft made? Was it day or night? Oli replied, you may call it a day, Your Honor. You may also call it a night. How? The judge asked. When the theft was committed, there was light, my lord, but slowly it became dark. It was the meeting time of day and night, Your Honor. The judge seemed to nod his head in agreement and asked the next question. How many persons were there at the time of the theft? Oli said, sir, you can say 5 or 25, Your Honor. When the judge asked how, Oli said, when the theft was committed, there were only 5 persons, but slowly the number increased to 25. The judge seemed to nod his head in agreement. In the third question, the judge asked what was the color of the purse. Oli said, you can call it black and you can also call it white, my lord. When the judge asked how, Oli showed a purse which was white inside and black outside. So the judge smiled, an unusual smile, and nodded his head in full agreement. So here we can find that the lawyer agreed that Oli should be a witness. So then the lawyer agreed and the next day Oli was called to the witness box. So first question of the judge that what was the theft, when was the theft made? So was it day or night? Oli replied, you may call it day, Your Honor, you may also call it night. So that Oli's answer is that both day and night. Judge could not understand. Then he answered the asked question how. The judge asked how it is possible that means day and night, that when the theft was committed. Committed means committed, committed, that began. Committed means you can find that when the theft was committed means hold or held. Committed, there was light, my lord, but slowly it became dark. It was the meeting time of day and night. So thus the question solved. It was the meeting time of day and night, and the judge seemed to nod his head in agreement, bowed his head in agreement. Asked the next question. What is the next question? How many persons were there at the time of theft? Oli said, sir, you may say 5 or 25. 5 or 25 people. So that the judge also could not understand how it is possible that then Oli answered that when the theft was committed, there were only 5 persons, but gradually, gradually, that is slowly, gradually, at first, then he told that at first the number was 5 persons, there are 5 persons, but then the number of the persons increased to 25, like this. The judge also agreed the answers. Next, the third question of the judge that what was the color of the purse? Color of the purse. What was the color of the purse? So that when the so here you can call it black and you can call it white. Both black and white. He said that both black and white. How it is possible? Black and white. So here the judge would not understand, and again he asked Ali, so how was it possible? So Ali showed a purse which was white inside and black outside. Ali showed his own purse. Ali showed his own purse that is black. Ali showed that black outside and white inside. So here that is Ali showed a purse which was white inside, that black outside. So thus the question was solved. The judge smiled, an unusual smile, and nodded his head, nodded in full agreement. Judge agreed that actually Ali, because of Ali, the case was solved. Next one, so here we have to do some questions as per your homework. You can find for SGB 4, page number 5. Page number 5. So that the question answer you should do all the questions. Next you should go to the page number. Next page. Here another page number 9. Page number 9, and you should do all the questions and send to my WhatsApp number, that 8908 353 and 705. Then we have to go